Good morning and happy Friday before the weekend. Today is July 19th and Sensex expiry. I know I'm not doing market calls for last couple of 4 days because mornings getting time is a little difficult. But anyway, that I'll do one video today because I got some time and see if I can do pretty much daily. But yeah, let's look at Nifty today. Nifty apparently hit the all-time high yesterday. And this is my 1 hour chart. And so if you look at 1 hour chart, the RSI is pretty much at about 71. But let me go to 1 day chart. 1 day chart, it actually shows about 77. I think very close to overbought zone, which means that there could be some reversal. Again, nobody knows when that reversal is going to happen, but I was looking at weekly and then the monthly as well. So monthly, this channel got a probable depth close to about 93%, and then this is obviously out of the channel right now with an RSI of close to 77. And let's also look at monthly chart. Monthly chart is also out of channel, which got a probability of close to 94%, and ideally this has to come back to this channel, and also with an RSI of close to 81%. I do believe there is a reason for Nifty to really trace back. And the last time Nifty did the 79 RSI was close to, when was this? October 1st, and then October 1st, I think the next month there was definitely some bit of a fall there. But I think being a budget week, there could be some bit of an euphoria looking at what the budget is going to offer. Let's see. And also, I think probably 1 month chart is absolutely all right. I don't think we need to go beyond that. So I think 1 month chart definitely showing it's out of the channel, which has a 94% probability. And then also this channel pretty much started about April 1st, 2016. Even during this is a COVID time also, this actually came back to channel anyways. So we had some bit of a falls here and there, but they're not very massive falls. I think the previous fall, I think a little fall happened back in after July. In fact, this is July, and then this should be August. Yeah, August, I think last year August there was some bit of a fall, but otherwise it stayed flat here and then moved up quite a bit there. I think coming back to Sensex for today, I was also looking at Gift Nifty. Gift Nifty suggests a bit of a red opening, but then let's look at Sensex here. Sensex, what I did was I did a 1 hour chart, which got I think about 85% probability. There are the lines that I drew, and obviously these lines are not sacrosanct. They might probably change as soon as the market opens. But right now, it actually shows that the peak it can go today is 81,550, which means that it could be 81,600. Or medium or most probable is about 80,000. 983 can take it as 81,000, and then below is 80,429, or you can take it as 80,500. I think those are all the numbers that I'm looking at right now. But then as soon as the market opens, some of these numbers or the probability might change. And 1 hour chart is the one which is actually showing highest probability for now, which I think fairly okay for an intraday. I think let me quickly get on to Sensex. I'm looking at the OI pulse right now. So if you look at Sensex here, the biggest resistance that you see is about 83,000, but I think that's too far. And the next resistance is 500. The closest resistance that you see is 81,500, and the next is 82,000. And then after that, you have 82,500, and then finally 83,000. At the bottom side, definitely there is some bit of a support at 80,500. So I think that is probably a bit in line to the numbers that I was showing. However, the 81,500 doesn't have massive support here, and also the puts were written until 82,000. So people may be expecting that it might probably go even below this, but then this puts probably somebody would have probably bought them to or sold them to whatever the way that they're standing to hedge against their portfolio. And then the quantity is very negligible, about 1200 quantity here. And then the call obviously got the highest resistance. And yeah, I know yesterday I did the short on the CE side, which obviously did not work out, and I'll have to see. Today, I'm not planning to do massive trades on Sensex mainly because of the last week's experience. And Sensex has been quite difficult to manage, but I think I do have overnight positions on the Nifty anyway. I believe if I go back to Nifty, the puts were written at 24,800, and after that you have massive resistance at about 25,000, and then I have calls written at 25,050 and also put somewhere around here. I'm not able to take a look right now. I think 24,350 or 24,400, somewhere around that. I think yeah, this definitely would act like a support there, and also on the upside you definitely have 25,000. Today mostly I will manage the Nifty next week expiry, and Sensex I have some trades, if I remember correctly. Sensex I have 1,200, I think somewhere. Also I sold 81,500, I think that's what I remember. Depending on how the market opens, either gap up or gap down, I'll take a call, and after that let's see. As I said, I'm not planning to infuse a lot of capital there because yesterday it was lost, so I want to be a bit cautious, not to do aggressive trades today. As I said, overall in futures and option, I'm still in green at this point of time, but then we're left with a couple of days today and then obviously next week for this week's expiry, so I do not want to blow up that capital. So yeah, I think that's all for today, and have a great remaining day.